Welcome. In this tutorial, we will discuss the difference between WordPress posts and pages. This video is from kingsolutions.org.uk, where you will find WordPress and small business solutions for non-techies. If you enjoy the content in this video, then consider clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, let us begin. By default, WordPress comes with two content types, pages and posts. As a beginner, you are probably wondering, what is the difference between posts and pages in WordPress? In this tutorial, I will explain the differences between them. I will also show when you should use pages and when you should use posts on your website. When I first started using WordPress, one of my main sources of confusion was the distinction between posts and pages. It seems I'm not alone. Many WordPress beginners find this topic confusing. Post screen options. If you click the Posts Screen Options tab, you will see all the features available to posts. In this demo, I've turned all screen options on. You of course, would only select those features you require. I'll quickly flip through the options here. If you want to peruse any of the features in particular, just pause the video. Page screen options. I'll quickly flip through the page screen options. To let those without WordPress installed see the options available. Post and page comparison. If you compare posts and pages side by side, you will see that they both have very similar fields. The only real differences being, posts have categories and tags, whilst pages have page attributes. Posts also have additional, format area, excerpt and send trackback features. By the way, if you want to include categories and tags with your pages, you can accomplish this using a plugin. To confuse the matter further, it's not just the feature list of posts and pages that's virtually the same, both look the same on the website. So why do we need both? What are WordPress posts? WordPress posts are entries listed in reverse chronological order, on your home page, or on the posts page. Generally, a blog will use posts for the majority of the site's content. Take special note of the reverse chronological order statement. This means your posts are timely, like a newspaper, the latest post listed first. As posts can be organized based on categories and tags, constructing menus is really easy when using this feature. Also, using the RSS feed of the blog, posts can be syndicated. This enables you to notify your readers of your most recent posts. You can also use the RSS feeds to deliver email broadcasts through autoresponders. This is ideal for email marketing campaigns. Possibly best of all, posts encourage conversation through the built-in WordPress commenting feature. What are WordPress pages? WordPress pages are static, and not listed by date. An About page is the classic example. As standard, pages do not use tags or categories, though you can change this behavior with the aid of a plugin. For more information on this and other plugins mentioned in this video, visit our website. Although the published date of the page is stored in the database, pages are timeless entities. Think of a page like a book in your local library. Unlike a newspaper, which is discarded each day, a book remains on the shelf, awaiting the next reader. As pages are timeless entities, and do not expire, write them as such, and do not include content that would date the article. Unlike posts, WordPress pages are not included in your RSS feed by default, as they are timeless entities, and as such do not have a time or date of publication. If required, you can change this behavior with the aid of a plugin. In general, pages are not social, they do not include social sharing buttons, or comments. For example, you don't really want users to comment on, or tweet about your contact page. Unlike posts, pages are hierarchical by nature. This means you can have sub, or child pages, within a page. Just like chapters in a book. The following is a list of the main key default differences between posts and pages. Posts are timely. Pages are timeless. Posts are social. Pages are not. Posts are categorized. Pages are hierarchical. Posts are included in RSS feeds. Pages are not. Pages have a custom template feature. Posts do not. Take this listing with a pinch of salt though, as almost everything in WordPress can change with the aid of a plugin. How many posts and pages can you have? You'll be pleased to learn that there is no limit on the number of posts or pages you can create. Which gives better SEO, posts or pages? Although search engines like content to be organized, and timeless content, that's pages, is technically more important, there is very little if any real difference between pages and posts with regards SEO. I suggest you write your content for your readers, not search engines. So, in conclusion, use pages for static content and posts for everything else. Of course, there is nothing stopping you from building a classical style website using only pages, or, with the addition of a plugin, using pages for both purposes. Like I hinted earlier, WordPress is very versatile. Well, I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then click on the like button below, and leave a comment. If you want to receive more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the King Solutions website for more useful information. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.